Welcome back everyone. We're off to meet the lad who I follow on Instagram. He's called Cozzy Dean. He's got a 3-door Cosworth Replica. I believe his car started out as like a 1.6, then he put all the kit and the engine in. We'll find out. We're going to go and see him. We'll be there in like 5 minutes, so I'll catch up with you when we get there.
What I told you, no one knows about, and you keep it that way. How I know you, I could cry or shout, you will listen either way. And I told you about the full breakdowns that are only mine to talk about. I even told you about the sacred grounds where I go when I need to shout. There is more to you than words can say. You're the roof when I'm wet from rain. You know the core in every bit of pain. So I wanted to say that you'll see me rise. You've seen me crash and burn and fall overboard, and you'll be seeing me rise. You've given me more than I could ever afford. Swear you will see me rise.
So what kind's of turbo? What brand is it?
It's a Garrett
it?
T34 63 exhaust housing, originally on Air-Scored Cosworth.
There's a few differences to mine. You can see like that brake turbo is different.
Well, this is that's
No
just
ABS or
all-
something?
No, there's no ABS, just standard brakes, no power steering.
Clean under here as well, mind. Like all your inner wings and that look
Aye,
mint.
well, it was solid, the car, and that's why I went for the shell. Like, I made sure I was South Wales again. Look, I phoned him again. Tell us the truth, you know. I need it.
Aye.
I'm coming a long way. Is it solid? He went, honestly, mate. He says, eat your dinner off underneath. He says it's rock hard.
Aye.
So,
What's an LED in there?
aye, that's a 90s thing. That.
Is
Do you not
it?
remember them?
Nah.
No, that was a 90s thing. That with a
Was it?
mobiliser. And it used to flash green.
I've never ever seen that, you know. Nah.
Aye, back in the day.
It's one way of telling people you've got an alarm on, like.
XR4s and RS turbos back in the day, like.
Damn that, yeah.
I got a penny tan then, didn't I?
You got tan.
Yeah, you got to give that a good slam, mate.
Have you?
Aye, the pins are seized up and bent. And...
What was that?
First video, a big fucking beat.
Well, we're going, go on. Put that in your belt.
Aye. Is that working now then?
I think so. So you were saying this started off as like a 1.6 one, yeah?
1.6 L model.
You bought it?
I bought I bought an original one, not original Cosy, but an original looking shell with all these bits on.
Oh, right, aye.
Well, that was rotten, like properly
Was it?
rotten. Rotten to the core.
What colour was this when you got it?
This was silver, this
Was
shell.
it?
Aye. The original one was white. Like I say, man, it was hanging beyond repair.
Was it?
And I was in the process of breaking it. I went, you know what, I'll just break it.
Aye. How long
Make
ago was
some
that?
money back. That was in 2014.
Oh, right, so not that long ago.
No. And I just happened to look on eBay, just going through. I went, we'll have a look for a shell.
Aye.
Wishful thinking, but then
This came up.
it was there and I won it for like, it was about 560 quid or something like that.
Aye.
South Wales. Literally a shell, rolling shell.
Oh, and the engine
With
on that, didn't it?
nothing, the windows, note, literally. Suspension man was even held up with broom shanks. Seriously, there was no coil springs in, just shanks. So I just went doing it by myself, dragged it back on an A-frame,
Did you?
and I got home about midnight. You know, on the street, loads of noise and neighbours twitching, and what the fuck hell's that? And it just started from there, to be honest. Like,
So when did you do the shell like the mat look like a Cosy, then put the engine in? Or
all the shell was done
Aye, so you
first,
put all the
because I
kit
knew it
in that
was
one?
solid. All the kit, that's all genuine. Front bumpers, Mickey Mouse.
What, fiberglass?
Yeah. The tip on the spoiler and the lower spoiler.
Aye.
I did have a genuine front bumper, but it was just the standard.
3-door.
Aye. I thought these look much better, you know.
Aye,
So,
500 bumper.
aye.
Did they look better like?
Much better, you know, just with that bit out there.
Aye.
Oh, and after that it was just spend. I wasn't expecting to do it, like, and it just,
Where'd you get your engine from?
that was another eBay buy. that popped up on eBay for started off at about 500 quid or something.
Aye.
And I just messaged him. I asked how much you want for your engine. Went 1,500 quid. I says right. I says I'll put you 500 quid to pay, pal.
1,500 quid.
Complete as well. So that's like turbo, manifolds, loom, the lot, you know.
No.
It was in Ipswich, so I went down. I went the next day. I says I'm coming down. Come tomorrow. It never
the
been.
box and all? Or did you buy
No, I had to buy the box separate from.
It's got T5 box on, hasn't it?
T5 box. That was bought from Gary at RS Classics.
Oh, aye.
Down
aye.
south. That was about 750 quid at the time. I mean, now they're like,
aye.
I don't know, in ISL, 1,500 quid or something,
Mental,
doubled.
man.
Is yours as rattly as this? Your things fell off there, mine. Something's fell.
Ah, it's a wind deflector thing. Chuck it down there. Is mine as rattly as this?
It's as rattly as this?
Probably. Old Fords, man.
I've just had to stuff like cloths all over, you know, and just...
Stop the rattles.
You know, you used to get in your father's ashtrays years ago and you'd have a bit of sponging with these loose
Mine's
change.
got a bit of carpet in there, yeah.
Has it?
Aye. What bit of horsepower is the engine?
This is a off-the-shelf chip, you know, for motorsport developments. Apparently around 340, 350. But I've got the bigger turbo one, like the T34.
Aye, I can see it. I noticed
63,000, so it's the biggest one of the Escort.
Did the engine come with that turbo on?
No, it was a standard T3. I've just, honestly, there's been a lot of waste and all. I'm buying bits, putting it on, going, I didn't like that, sell it.
Well, the thing about Fords, you didn't really lose money on the bits, do you?
That's it, like, you didn't, it just keeps going up.
You price back money on the bits.
I know. It's had 3 engines since I've owned it. Started life with a 1.8 CVH oil burner out of a Sierra estate. That got it running on the road and MOT'd and that. And I put a Z-Tech in it. On bike top, 2 litre Z-Tech on CB or Fireblade carbs or something.
Did ya?
Sounded lush, but it was shit, like.
Not very fast?
Oh, that was crap. Absolutely shite.
It must have been 200 brake horsepower or something though.
No, 170.
Was it?
But it didn't have any torque out, you know, so it was just all rev and...
Aye. Do you prefer the YB?
Oh, these are just... Aye. Turbo anything, man. Just.
Aye.
Then I bought a Rover V8.
Did ya?
And that sat in the corner for about 2 months.
But you bought the engine, the
Full
V8
engine. And I was put off by my mate at the time. He goes, look, he says, put that in. He says, you'll be sick of your life. He says, you'll be forever at the garage filling it up. He says, they're not very fast.
No, the probably's not.
They sound lush.
Aye. That's what they put in the TVRs and all, isn't it? The Rover V8 block or something.
I think so, aye. And then when this popped up like on eBay, when I've got to have it, like it's got to be.
1,500 quid as well.
Oh, it was for nout.
Aye.
That would have been about 2015 when I got the engine.
Right.
So the laddies, I mean now, since then they've
got mental.
It's mad, like 5-6 grand now for an engine.
Easy. So what do you boost to?
That's at the minute it's about 27.
Is it?
Something like that, aye. I mean I didn't really want to take it too much. Maybe it's 2 bar, maybe I'm up to 30 PSI or something, but coming through the tunnel there, like it's just, I don't have it's over boosted and
aye.
Yeah, just cut out in the middle of the tunnel. I went, oh fuck, oh shit, not here. Because they just push you out them, you know. Have you seen them, the trucks?
Oh, the rubber on the front.
Well, they're just rammers, them.
Aye.
Yeah, I think you either pay like 200 quid or something if you want to be escorted out properly, you know, on a trailer or whatever. Or if you're a tight horse, get out the way.
Oh god. So what you plan to do with the car? Just keep it and enjoy it for a bit? You plan to sell it and out like that?
Yeah, keep wasting money on it.
Aye.
Yeah, do you know what? I mean, I would use it every day. But you know, you kind of park them anywhere.
Nah, you cannot. What diff you go in and put a Cosy diff?
I had 2 Cosy diffs and I blew them up like that. So it must be like made of like flipping butter. So I bought one from Burton.
Right, aye.
It's got like a Quaif ATB in it.
Aye. How much was that? 800 quid or something?
That was just shy of 1,100 quid.
Was it?
Aye. Touch wood.
It's been alright.
It's been perfect, aye.
I follow you on Instagram. It looks like you're giving a bit of beans and that now and then. Like,
oh, definitely.
A few pictures of doing burnouts and that.
Aye. It's normally at the shows, you know, when you're leaving them.
Aye.
It's lush, man. People want that, you know, it's a Cosy. I mean, they've gone mental with it, like, but
They look good doing burnouts.
oh, they look class, man. Aye.
What power you reckon it is? About 350, will you say?
I would say about 350, aye. Yeah.
Spin the wheels in second, like when you just put your foot down, or it's a bit.
It can't spin them up, like,
Aye.
you know, if you really put it. Yeah. Pointless in the wet, like, yeah.
Aye, I bet. You take it out in the wet.
If I get caught up in it, I mean, I won't go
Aye.
purposely take it out, you know, but if I get caught up in it, it's,
It is what it is.
I'm not too bothered, you know.
Not
It gets
too
wet, it
precious.
gets wet. If it was a genuine one like yours, then it'd be a different matter, like.
Sounds the speed bumps here, mate. Sounds a bit like pulls a lot harder than mine.
Does it?
Aye, I get lots.
I guess it's down to that turbo, you know. It's
Aye.
fucking speed humps.
Max is wanting to turn the boost up on mine now.
You should, like.
I know. I know. I keep thinking of it, you know.
It's stage one yours, isn't it?
Aye, take 260. Why haven't I had a rolling road for like 10 years or something, you know?
Aye.
I've set up one now.
Well, listen, this has never been set up, like.
There's not.
No. Built the engine.
So did you check your fuel and that? Has it been checked?
I've got the air4 gauge here.
Oh,
I just keep an eye on that, you know. It's,
So does that get in your manifold?
that goes to the downpipe,
Aye.
the alarm down it.
Aye.
It just gives you a bit of safety, you know. I just keep an eye on it.
I know, I should really get something like that, like,
I will get it set up, like, you know. It's,
to get it done, innit? Take
I know.
your time.
There's that one motorsport developments where I got the chip from.
Aye.
I did get a price, I can't remember off the top of my head now, like.
You see in the wheels, they're just eBay specials or something, weren't you?
eBay, they were about 300 quid or something.
Brand new.
Brand new, without the tyres, like.
Aye. Did they come
So-
gold or did you paint the centre?
No, I painted the centres.
The silver when you got them?
Yeah, there's a few pictures actually on my Instagram. So it's fancy to change, you know.
Aye, what was on before?
Genuine ones.
Genuine one.
I had 5 at the spare
Aye.
with 5 locks, the centre caps. I put them on eBay for $395. They lasted about 10 minutes.
I bet.
My mate can't pull them off because they're too cheap for guns, are they? Too late now, they were selling like, I was like, it's
Look
out
there.
there. How did you feel it there, cutting out?
Aye. Aye. The idea what it is?
That's just since I've turned the boost up.
Is it?
Enough, like, I never done that before. I was only boosting wastegate to about 14, 15 PSI before. Yesterday, I turned it up last night. And like I say, coming through the tunnel there, it was just cut out. I'm thinking about going like wasted spark or something, you
Aye.
know.
I
Get
keep
rid of the
think-
dizzy and that. It's
Aye, I keep thinking of that, like,
getting the kit, and apparently that just solves all the misfires and that.
aye, or 500 quid for the kit or something, innit?
Aye, yeah, something like that. It's worth it though, you know.
Aye.
It's one of them mods that it's fit and forget sort of thing, you know.
Aye, I know. Feels quite planted on the board, like.
Aye, it's grips
Bump
well,
it.
like, and now
Aye, bumps well.
the tyres are shite now. They're just budgets.
Are they?
Better put some decent ones on the front eventually, like. But the back is pointless, you know. We are driving. It's why
Aye.
waste the
waste
money, you
good
know.
tyres?
Got to get ripped off.
What exhaust you got on it? Scorpion or something? Or?
It's power flow
All right.
from the turbo back, just one box at the back. There's no middle boxes are now in it. I don't think it's too loud, to be honest.
That's
Like, you know,
alright.
it could have been a lot worse. I think that's a turbo, though, isn't it? Sort of silences them.
That's not too loud at all, like. Mine's got a centre box, but doesn't seem any quieter.
No.
Maybe it's a little bit there.
What's on
like.
yours?
Dunno. It's got 2 boxes in it. I bought it second hand.
Aye, I got this one from
Mine's all-
second hand from Scotland.
Oh, that's-
Forthbridge. Aye, it's roughly where I got it from. Went up in an old Mazda Bongo I had at the time.
Did ya?
Aye, just went up there, chucked it in the back, sticking it in the back. Big rusty pipe. Things you do for the money.
Spluttering again.
Spluttering again now, yeah. possibly over boosting like.
Maybe.
Aye. Just turn it down a touch.
You just turned up yourself like?
Aye. Just cutting them little, do you know the little bleed valves into the bonnet?
Aye.
That dangerous one, because it was here last year.
Aye.
And every, you know, it's just something coming to the side of you, you think, I'll just have a little bit there, you're not getting past me. Aye, so I've put under the bonnet now, like, out my way.
Got a nice flutter mine, hasn't it? Sounds nice.
Just no dump valve at all.
That's all you need,
Just
man.
took it off.
Aye.
There's a lot of people that tell you it knocks your turbo and all that, like,
You
but
can get the rebuild, man. It's not like it's
but this turbo, you can buy it on eBay. The core itself, $374.99 or something it is.
Aye. Worth it for the noise, man.
And this has been on a couple of years now, like,
Aye.
I've had my use out of it. So if it blows up, I'll just buy one of them and rather get that rebuilt.
Aye. It's not like it's hard to find part now, is it?
Aye.
Spot on, mate. Spot on. Do you want to plug them? Just your Instagram?
Instagram, if you want to follow us, at Cosy_Dean. Tyneside-Cosmetics.co.uk for bodywork. That's bodywork, yeah.
I bet I was following the paint job, man. Like, it looks mint. It's really done a good job.
He's a cracking painter, like.
Is it your mate?
He's my cousin.
Is it?
Aye, he's on Tyneside Auto Park.
Spot on, mate. Thanks a lot for meeting up, like, and tatting us out.
No problem. It's an excuse to get it out as well.
Aye, no.
I'll stay out for a bit now.
Aye. Avoid going home.
Aye.
Spot on, mate. Thanks a lot.
No problem, Adam.
See you later, fellas. I'll see you next time. Spot on, mate.
No bother.